All right, guys, this is a little update on the compost here, how it's doing. As you can see here, I got my sexy hat and shorts on. It's getting hot here now in East Texas. We're well into the 90s now. So as you can see in the video, it's not composting very well. I don't have that bacteria working overtime. We've had plenty of rain. I thought for sure inside where I got the manure it would be heating up more, but as you can see, it's just not composting. It's getting a little darker in areas, but it's just not composting. It's not really heating up. It's been a month, of course, but I was hoping it'd be a little more advanced right now, but it's not. It's still fluffy, and you can still see the grass plainly. But anyways, hopefully by December-ish, November, December, I'll be able to put this in my garden beds and amend it to my soil there. But we will see. If it's not broken down enough, I'm not going to put it in there yet. But I still might. We are going to have a winter garden, but some of the beds won't be, will have nothing in it, of course. So I might put it in those beds and give it time to break down over the winter. But I don't know. We'll see right now. But I was hoping for it to be broken down enough to where I can put it into my garden beds. But I'll have another update video as the summer progresses, and we'll see how it comes out. But now also that I put it in my chicken run. So my chicken's been working really hard breaking this stuff apart and breaking it down. And let me show you what they've been up to. All right, guys, as you can see here, this stuff is broken down really nicely. Look at that. Just little pieces, about an inch or so big. And they're breaking it down really nice. Now, it's been a month here. I'm going to keep adding more material in here whenever I can. Of course, I'm adding the kitchen scraps, weeds from around the garden and around the yard, vegetable scraps from the garden. And he seems to enjoy them. But it's breaking down nicely, much better than the other compost pile is. So the bacteria, they take little nibbles. These guys here, these ladies, they do a good job. So I'm going to keep adding more material in here. We still have until maybe, I don't know, August. No, not August. What am I saying? November-ish. And December before the cool weather starts coming in here. I'm hoping this is all broken down good and putting it into my garden beds, amending it to the soil. But I really want this to be broken down good. So they're doing a fantastic job of doing that. I really appreciate that, buddy. And that's about it, guys. So those of you that have chickens, or about to get chickens especially, use your chickens not only for the eggs and all that, but their manure and all this that they compost, put it straight into your garden beds, and nourish your soil with good bacteria, with the good nitrogen and all the other nutrients that are in here, and put it back in your soil. And that'll feed all the root system of your plants, and you'll end up with gorgeous and fantastic tasting fruits and vegetables. You interrupted me. With fantastic tasting fruits and vegetables. All right, guys. So I appreciate you watching. I'll keep you updated throughout the summer on how that pile over there is doing of hay and how this chicken run is doing. And I'm going to scrape off about 5-6 inches of this by fall and put it in my garden beds. And I have under here wood chips. I have leaf mulch that I suck leaves around from my area. I have a leaf vacuum and mulches them up. Threw that out on here too. So it's very nutrient dense. All right, guys. So I appreciate you watching. Please like, subscribe, and share. And when you subscribe, hit the notification bell. That will alert you to any new video that I put out. Alright, so I will see you guys in the next video. Really?